We are at 3420 40th Avenue West. I am doing a pre-jetting video. This route right here is what we're going to be jetting out. Outside of that, line is good all the way to City Main. Looks like we lined it some years back, but roots are just growing through at the spot where we put in repair in order to shoot the liner. But as you can see, the rest of the line is lined all the way to the city. So we're just gonna jet out that that route that's at about 38 feet.